Hi, today we're working on a Buick Regal, and the concern is that sometimes she makes a turn, hits the brakes, and the engine quits. Sometimes it restarts, sometimes it doesn't. She also ends up getting an error message that says, open and close the driver's window. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, the same thing happened on my dad's Chevrolet pickup. Now, in my dad's case, the truck sits quite a bit, battery gets low, and if you get low voltage, that will do it. But if your battery's okay, you gotta really check the connections. So if we look closely at this one, this is our negative connection. Everything is okay here. This is our positive connection. And right here on this one, if you can see in the video, I can wiggle it around. Can you see the movement right here? That's a bad connection. And so is that one. If you notice, I just wiggled that one and the engine quit. So loose connections can cause, that warning light can also cause your engine to quit. I hope this has been informational to you. And until next time, blessings and safe travels to you.